Medina County, all because a 19-year-old wasn't going to go down without a fight. That teen led police on a high-speed chase through Wadsworth just minutes after he bolted out of a courtroom.
Facing jail time for another driving incident, the chase came to a screeching halt when he crashed into another car and injured 4 others. New tonight at 6, our Bob Jones asked the judge who sentenced him, how did this happen, and if security changes are needed.
In 21 years on the bench, a Wadsworth municipal judge says he's never seen a defendant who was sentenced to jail just walk out of court and escape. What happened next was even more alarming, a chase and a bad wreck. The crash mangled 2 vehicles, leaving parts scattered across Akron Road near I-76 and knocking down a gas station sign. An innocent mother, father, and their baby in an SUV suffered minor injuries. A witness working across the street used a fire extinguisher to clear smoke pouring from the other car.
I didn't see the driver, but the passenger, she was in a lot of pain. She looked like she was injured pretty bad, and they were trapped in there.
Just minutes earlier, court video captured Cyrus Matthews being sentenced to 60 days in jail on misdemeanor charges related to a road rage case. But he refused to go to jail and walked out of court, the bailiff chasing after him.
And I tried to scream by getting his attention, saying, whoa, try to explain that, call the police and you're going to be charged with, felony escape if you leave.
Police say Matthews got into a car with a woman he knows and sped off. Wadsworth police tried to catch up.
My officers are saying he was traveling at pretty high speed. They estimate probably 80 to 90 miles an hour.
The reckless driving putting lives in danger. Moments later, the crash.
Speed was definitely a factor. It appears to be a factor, but we were fortunate that we didn't get someone killed here today.
The judge says those convicted of misdemeanors usually are not handcuffed after sentencings, and police are only in the court if there's concern a defendant could act out. We asked if security policy could change because of the escape and crash.
Obviously, we'll discuss it. That's obviously something we'll discuss in the courtroom. But I don't know if anything else in the courtroom would need to be changed.
Once Matthews is released from the hospital, he could be looking at felony charges, including escape and fleeing and eluding. In Wadsworth, Bob Jones, News 5.